Alright, so this is a demonstration in contour line drawing. Contour line is when you draw the edges of objects, things, colors, shapes, textures, etc. So when you're drawing with contour line, you're focusing and you're acting as though your eye and your pencil move at the exact same pace. So as your eye looks along an edge, let's say the edge of your finger, it follows the edge and your hand follows and records at the exact same time. The goal here is to train your eyes and your hand to move in the same pace, but also to focus more of your attention on your subject rather than your paper itself. So this is a blind contour. I'm not going to look at my paper. I'm just going to look right at my subject, and I'm going to start by drawing my thumb. As I follow the edge with my eyes, I record all the bumps and irregularities that I see in the edge of my thumb. And then when I come to an intersection where my thumb meets my thumbnail, I record the edge of my thumbnail and I follow it in. And if there are wrinkles or lines that follow out from the edge of my thumbnail, I let my pencil follow it as my eye follows those little wrinkles. Then I bring it back. And any irregularity in my cuticle and things like that. The drawing itself is not as important as the exercise. The practice it gives you is invaluable in focus. And as I see wrinkles on the inside of my thumb, I won't pick up my pencil but drag it in. And where I see these little wrinkles, I go over the lines and I bring my pencil back. If you pick up your pencil, you start to think more about what is happening on your paper and you lose your focus. So it's better to not pick it up, but just to go back and forth over the lines you see and continually draw. I also press harder where I like the lines to be darker and a little less pressure applied when I'd like the lines to be light. And as I continue down my thumb, I see more lines, less significant. And so there's my thumb drawing. It's not an exact copy, but you can see in some areas where I was really trying to replicate the details that I saw in my thumb, like in my cuticle and the white part of my thumbnail. So looking back, this is what I was looking at. And this is contour line drawing. It's excellent practice. You can do it as much as you'd like, and the more the better.